Etong motor na to, hindi pa nahuhugasan for probably almost a month na. So let's go, hugasan na natin, no? So pagkatapos nating pre-rinse yung buong body ng motor, syempre gagamit tayo na bike wash shampoo. Ito ang ginagamit natin. Very effective to guys. So naglagay tayo dito ng 4 na takip nito. If you'd like more, that's okay. Pagkatapos nating hugasan to mamaya, i-sprayhan naman natin siya nitong ating product, ceramic spray coating. These are both available sa Shopee by the way. If you'd like to order, link is in the description ng ating video. Actually kung tutusin, kahit na hindi ko nagawin to kasi gawa ng meron tayong spray coating na nakalagay dito. Kaya ako naman ginagawa to para talagang spotless, walang naiiwan. Alright, banlaw naman tayo guys.